guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we need to get ready because I'm looking busted, y'all. I just woke up I woke up like an hour ago. I ate breakfast, but I need to get it together because I'm looking a mess. And plus I got more videos to record for you guys today. I do plan on uploading 2 videos today. I wasn't gonna upload anything today because it's like Sunday, but I will be busy and I won't be uploading tomorrow because I gotta go to my training. So I don't know what next week's gonna look like, but I'll still try to record. We're almost to 100 subscribers. I'm so excited. So let's get right into this video. Y'all, so I finished my eyebrows off camera and I'm gonna go and moisturize my skin. Yeah, y'all, I filled my brows in, did a full fill. Normally I just leave them had the eyebrows, so I'm really gonna add an arch to them. I still kind of want to work on my neutral colors, but at the same time, I really wanted to do a pink as well. The pinks has just been looking so good with my hair, y'all. But I kind of want to do something different, so I'm actually thinking about purple today. Let's see if I can do that. I'm going to get another palette. I have 2 other palettes that are really good purples in here. My Lavie Dumb Prince palette and my Trending in Tokyo. They're very vibrant purples. But I kind of want like a light purple. So maybe if I mix the 2, because this is what we have right here. We have these 2, but maybe if I mix it with another color, y'all, I'm gonna have to figure it out or play like paint palettes, because also I have this one, but I think it'll be lighter when I start blending anyway, so I might be okay. So we'll just see. I'm gonna start out with this one now. So I already set my eyes with my concealer and my powder. I used my Cool Tan concealer. Y'all, I'm already out of it. I had to cut the side of the bottle. That's so sad. So I'm gonna go and take my brush, and we are gonna just start blending. This is Sueno. I'm not Hispanic, so I can't say it. Also, I really want to get some. I feel like this is loose, so I'll just hold it under my eye like this. Just don't want to get on my white shirt. This is really pretty too with this hair color, y'all. Oh, this is so vibrant. I just want to hip into that part first, because that was the part where it would definitely fall, because this is very loose eyeshadow. Very good product though, y'all. It's very good quality. That's the good thing. It's so soft on your eyelid, and that's important. I have a whole palette which I love, and it's a good purple in it, but it don't blend. It's not the best at blending, so that's why I'm using this one. Okay, y'all, so I'm gonna blend this out. So yeah, y'all, we are almost to 100 subscribers. I'm so excited. I'm so just excited to grow my channel. That's my cat over here, y'all. I'm just excited to grow my channel. I have 10 milestones I want to do this year to get to 1,000 subscribers, and it's 10 milestones of 100 subscribers. So it's just breaking it down. It's easier for me to get happy and contain. So yeah, I'm excited about that. And we're almost past the first milestone of 100. I'm just excited, and I'm happy that people like my content, and it gets me more excited to do more stuff. So that's what it's all about. And I'm doing YouTube for fun, y'all, just to show my hobbies and things I like to do. But it's always fun, you know, knowing that you could do more with it, because I love makeup, I love fashion, but I also love telling stories, which I might do story times on here, y'all. I'm trying to see. I think I did one before, but I was like, no, I don't know. But I have a lot of stories, so I might do story times if y'all want to get to know me. That's when I'll do it. So I have a lot of embarrassing stories, so if y'all want to hear, like, just let me know down below. If y'all want story times later, I can do that. That'll be fun. But I think it'll be good just to get to know the real me more, which y'all kind of see the real me, because I literally don't hold back anything. But it'll be fun. That'll be a fun thing to do. Okay, y'all, so I finished that, and I'm trying to see. I think I'm gonna leave it. I think I might add some in the corner. I just love this purple, and I always like to show that you can do so much with one color. That's the whole point. So now we're gonna go in with eyeliner. If I can find my eyeliner. How do I not have my stuff in front of me? So here I'm doing my eyeliner, y'all. And excuse the dirty mirror. I get foundation on everything, and I keep on cleaning it, y'all. I just don't know. Maybe it's me, but y'all, I never am able to do like a perfect liner. But this time I finally got it. So I'm like, okay, sis. I just kept it moving, and I did a thin liner this time, so it's not so thick. and it actually worked out. And I hate this liner though because it's marker and not the brush. Actually make them look kind of even. So now I'm going to go with my foundation, my 355 Maybelline Fit Me foundation. Always a mouthful to say, but this is the Dewy Smooth. I'm not a fan of the matte no more, so I stopped getting that one. It's nice, but I don't like my makeup looking matte, so I'm always for a smooth finish. Now I'm blending my foundation out, y'all. This stuff always take a while. That's why I speed these videos up. But the good thing is that it's always a good coverage, and I always end up looking really good. So I'm always thankful for that. Okay, y'all. So now I'm going to go with my concealer. We have my toffee, since I know some in here. And I might have to, I don't know, I want to cut that other bottle, y'all. It's just the other little thing like this. It's just because I'm out of the Fawn, and I need to go get some. And I didn't have time to get some, but I might just stick with the top. There we go. So guys, I ended up cutting my concealer open, the Fawn, because I needed it, and there was only like a little more left. So I ended up mixing the Fawn and toffee together. Thank God, because y'all not need my blend. I'm just gonna have to make a trip to Ulta and go stock up on like 8 of these next time, because I can't be running that concealer in the time of need when I need my makeup done. This cannot happen. Now I'm gonna go and set my face shot with my powder, and I need more powder too. I just need to stock up on everything because I'm legit running out of everything, y'all. It's been a while since I had to make a makeup run, so I need to get back to it. With my dark contour. Then we're gonna do the under eye, which I want to use purple, but I would love to do like a different color, probably pink. Under my eyes, just to give it something different. Well, I'm gonna see. Okay, so for under my eyes, I think I'm gonna use the Trendy in Tokyo palette, just because the palette, the color isn't so loose. So now I'm blending my under eye, guys, and I ended up choosing the dark purple in the Trendy in Tokyo just because I wanted a different color. I was going to do pink, but I was like, I wanted to keep with the purple, and I just used the purple I used is just a little bit darker. So if you look closely, you can really tell. They look very similar, but trust me, they're not. The one on the bottom is very darker than the one on the top, and now I'm just cleaning it up because that's what I do. Okay, so now I finished. I'm going to go with my Ember highlighter, and I'm going to put this in the corner of my eye. It's more like a pinkish, darkish bronzer. I'm going to use this one right here for my inner corner eye, guys. And I'm going to use the pomegranate for my blush because it's not so pink. Oh, why did I just do that? What did I just do? I literally almost put blush in the corner of my eye, y'all. Okay, so we got the corner. I'm going to go do my blush. If I can find my blush brush, here we go. Okay, so y'all know that we're at the stage. I'm going to go and finish my face. I'm going to do my mascara, lashes, lip gloss, and you guys will see the finished look when I'm done. And this is the finished look, guys. I hope you like it. Purple just works. I don't know why. Blonde hair, melanin skin, purple eyes, gold earrings. Come on, the whole look is looking. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's really simple, really cute. This is legit one color. The purple is so vibrant, and it's not easy to find a good vibrant color in certain palettes. But I have a lot of good palettes. It's like one of them that the purple wasn't going to be that good, so that wasn't one of my Morphe palettes. This is an old palette. It just doesn't blend well. That's why I use my smaller palettes with my purple. So on that, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I have another video. I have like probably 1 or 2 more videos I'm going to upload today for you guys along with this one. So just keeping the content going. We're almost to 100 subscribers. I'm so excited. Thank you so much. It's overwhelming. I was like, you know what? It took me a while to actually start YouTube, but you know what? I'm just having fun doing it, and that's what it's all about. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram. I am Tatiana Green. Follow my blog. I am Tatiana. Follow my makeup page, Makeup with Tatiana. And I will see you guys on the next video. Bye.